Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. It's so nice to have you here with us today. If you're joining for the first time, I'm Anna, and I'm here with my amazing co host, Mark. How are you feeling today, Mark?
I'm doing well, Anna. Thanks for asking. Hi everyone, it's great to have you here. Today's topic is something many learners have asked us for American English for beginners. We're going to make it super simple, friendly, and easy to follow.
Yes, today is all about helping you start speaking American English with confidence. We're going to show you real examples, useful everyday phrases, and small pronunciation tips that make a big difference.
And don't worry, you don't need to be advanced to understand this. Our goal today is to help beginners feel relaxed, comfortable, and ready to speak.
Exactly. So just sit back, take a deep breath, and enjoy learning with us. Okay, let's jump in.
All right, Anna, let's start with something simple. When beginners want to speak American English, the first thing they need is basic everyday phrases they can use anywhere.
Yes, I love simple phrases. They help you feel like you're already communicating. And honestly, even native speakers use simple phrases most of the time. You don't need big, complicated vocabulary.
Absolutely. So let's start with one of the most common American greetings. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, that's a good one. For everyone listening, this phrase basically means, how are you? It's casual and friendly. Americans use it every day.
Right? And the pronunciation is soft and connected, not how is it going, but how's it going.
Let's give them a small example conversation using it.
Sure, you start.
Hey, Mark, how's it going?
Not bad, just working. How about you?
Pretty good. Just enjoying the day.
Very natural.
And here's another one. What's up? This means, how are you? Or, what's happening?
It's also very casual. You can use it with friends or people you know well.
And here's how it sounds in real life.
What's up, Anna?
Not much, just getting ready for today's episode.
See, simple, friendly, and easy to use.
Now, for beginners, another great thing to learn early is how Americans say thank you.
Yes, Americans love showing appreciation, and they use many different ways to say it.
Common ones include thanks, thank you, and thanks a lot.
And when someone thanks you, the classic American response is no problem. Sometimes people also say you're welcome, but no problem is very common.
Yeah, and it feels relaxed and natural.
Let's give an example.
Thanks for helping me, Mark.
No problem at all.
So easy, right?
Very easy.
Something else beginners always ask about is small talk. You know, the little conversations Americans make at the start of a meeting or when waiting in line.
Oh, yes, small talk is very American. People use it to be friendly, not personal.
The best small talk topic in America? The weather.
Yes, absolutely.
For example, it's a beautiful day today, or it's really cold this morning, or looks like it's going to rain.
And here's a little example conversation.
Wow, it's so hot today.
I know summer is really here.
Right? I feel like I need an ice cream.
Me too.
See? Just simple comments, nothing complicated.
And small talk helps beginners feel more comfortable speaking English in real life.
Okay, now let's move to one important part of American English for beginners, pronunciation. But don't worry, we're not getting too technical.
Number, just simple helpful tips.
First tip, Americans connect words when they speak. For example, do you want to becomes do you wanna?
Yes, in American English, speech is smooth. Words flow together. Here's a natural example.
Do you wanna go out?
Sounds like, do you want to go out?
And I don't know becomes I don't know.
Very common.
Here's a sentence. I don't know if I want to go. Very American, very real life.
So, listeners, when you hear Americans speak fast, don't panic. They're not using new words. They're just connecting them.
Right. Your ears will get used to it.
Next, pronunciation tip, the American R.
Oh, yes, the famous R again.
It's a very strong sound in American English. The tongue pulls back a little and doesn't touch the top of the mouth.
Words like car, right, around, really.
And the key is relax your tongue. Don't push too hard.
Try saying really gently.
And here's a sentence to practice. The red car is around the road.
I like that one.
Thank you.
A third pronunciation tip for beginners is the American T. Sometimes it's strong, like in table, but often it becomes a soft sound, like a quick D.
Right, words like water become wader, better becomes better, city becomes sidey.
And this is totally normal in American English.
Yes, so if you hear wader, don't worry, it's just water.
And if you want to sound more American, you can practice the soft T too.
But only when you feel ready, don't rush.
Exactly. Speaking clearly is more important than sounding perfect.
Now, besides pronunciation, vocabulary is another important part of American English for beginners.
Yes. And Americans have some common everyday words that beginners should know.
For example, gonna, it means going to.
I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna watch a movie.
Another one is wanna, it means want to.
I wanna drink water. I wanna go home. I wanna learn English.
And kinda, which means kind of.
Like, I'm kinda tired. Or, it's kinda cold.
These words help your English sound natural and relaxed.
But remember, these are informal. Good for conversation, but not for formal writing.
Right.
Something else beginners often ask is, how do Americans show emotion in everyday speech?
Good question.
Americans use simple emotional words a lot. Words like awesome, cool, nice, great, amazing.
Yes, these words appear everywhere in conversations.
For example, that's awesome. That movie was great. You did a great job. Cool, let's go.
And one very American expression is, oh my gosh,
Yes, it shows surprise.
or seriously, which also shows surprise or disbelief.
And no way. That means, really? I can't believe it.
These expressions help your English feel more alive.
Speaking of feeling alive, let's give our listeners a short story style conversation so they can hear American English in action.
Good idea.
Okay, imagine this. Two friends meeting at a cafe,
I'll be person A.
and I'll be person B.
Ready?
Let's go.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, pretty good. It's such a nice day today.
I know, right? I was gonna stay home, but then I thought, why not go out?
Good choice. Do you want to grab coffee?
Yeah, sure. I'm kinda hungry too.
Same. I didn't eat breakfast.
Oh, really? You gotta eat, it's important.
I know. I woke up late.
Happens to me all the time.
So, what are you doing later?
Not much. Maybe watching a movie. You?
I'm gonna hang out with my cousin.
Sounds fun.
See? Simple American English. Smooth, natural, and easy to use in real life.
Exactly. Conversations in real life are simple, short, and friendly. You don't need a big vocabulary.
Now let's share a few more useful everyday expressions for beginners.
Good idea.
Let's do it means let's start.
Sounds good. Means, okay, that's fine.
I'm not sure. A polite way to say you don't know.
I'll think about it. When you need the time to decide,
I'm on my way. Very common. It means I'm coming.
take your time. Means don't rush.
And that's funny when something makes you laugh.
These are all simple but very helpful for daily conversations.
Yes. And for beginners, using these expressions can make speaking English feel less scary.
That's true. Many learners feel nervous at the beginning.
Oh, absolutely. I remember when I started learning another language, my hands were shaking when I tried to speak.
That's normal.
But you know what helped me?
What?
Speaking a little every day, even 2 minutes.
Yes, that's great advice. Short daily practice is excellent for beginners.
And listening too. Watch simple videos. Listen to podcasts. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears are learning.
Exactly. Your brain starts to recognize patterns.
Another tip for beginners learning American English is don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time.
If you worry too much about being perfect, you won't speak at all.
And the goal is communication, not perfection.
Absolutely.
So let's give our listeners a few practice tasks they can try today.
Good idea.
Task 1. Practice greeting someone in American English. For example, hey, how's it going? Or what's up?
Task 2. Practice a short conversation using words like gonna, wanna, or kinda.
Task 3. Listen to a short video and repeat one sentence in an American accent.
Simple, practical, and helpful.
Before we wrap up, let's share a quick recap of today's episode.
Today we talked about simple American greetings, everyday expressions, common casual words like gonna and wanna, easy pronunciation tips, and real-life examples.
And we showed how American English doesn't have to be complicated. It can be friendly, smooth, and fun.
Yes, and the big message is start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey.
Learning a language is like learning a new song. It takes time, but one day you find yourself singing without thinking.
Very true.
And here's our small moral for today. Don't be afraid to speak. Even simple English can create real connections.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. And thank you to all our listeners for spending time with us today. We're really proud of you.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And leave a comment. Tell us what part of American English you want us to teach next. We love reading your comments. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.